Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see another important QA interview question. So it goes like this. As a QA, what will you do if the defect found by you is not accepted by developer? So this can be asked in another way. So what will you do if the developer says that the bug you raise is not reproducible? So either way, if you get this question, how you'll answer that? So let's take a look into that. So let us see, like suppose you have raised a bug and developers comes and says that this is not reproducible. I don't see that bug in my system. So at that point of time, what will be your course of action? So the first step, what I'll do, again I'll try to reproduce that bug. I'll verify whether it is valid or not. So once I feel that it is valid, what I will do, I'll reproduce that same bug in different system. And after that, I'll take screenshots with timestamps, and I'll log all the proper information about that, like what is the exact scenario, and like I'll create a proper Jira ID with all the steps, and then I'll share it with developer. So once, like I'll try to connect via Zoom call and I will show him, like even after this the developer is not accepting, right? Then what you have to do, you can send an email to the respective developer regarding this issue with all the details like screenshots, logs, and other steps to reproduce and other details. So you can send an email as a first step with keeping your test lead in the CC. Now after that, once you do, right, if the test is also not taking seriously or not accepting that, saying that this is not a defect, then if you think that this is definitely a defect, then you can escalate this to your test manager. So once you do that, right, even though the test manager says that this is not a defect and he'll not accept, then the final people you have to approach is business analyst or product owner. So if you go to them, right, they are the person who can give a, who can give a final decision on that. So you can check with them. So if business analyst is accepting this as defect, so if he says that yes, this is a defect or bug, then what you have to do, right, you have to send an email and inform the respective developer, like why this is a bug. You can keep development lead, test manager in CC. So let's say if if they also tell that this is not a bug, then what you can do, right, the same comment you can mention in the respective Jira ticket saying that this ticket, this bug has been verified with BA, and according to them it's not a bug. So you can close, because when you find the same bug at later point of time in production, right, you can show the proof saying that, like, I had raised it before, and it's not the comment, this comment I have got from BA. So you'll have some kind of proof, and it will not be considered as a miss from your end. So the similar question, like, you may get, right, what do you do when the defect is not reproducible but consistently, like sometimes what happens, right, the defect may not be reproducible in the developer end, but in the test environment you'll see the defect. At that point of time, what you have to do, so let us see that. Firstly, what if I face that issue, right, what I'll do, I'll log a defect for this. Before that, I'll consider these points, below points, right? So what I'll do, I'll try to see why it is not getting reproduced in developer's environment. Okay, because the code whatever we are using, right, the build version, it is same, it should be same. If we are using the same code base, I'll try to see why it is not reproducible there. I'll try to figure out the exact steps and make sure we use the same test data. Okay, so whatever test data I'm using, right, for reproducing that bug, the same test data I'll ask him to use with the same code base or build number. And after that, I'll try to, like, clear browser cache. Okay, suppose let's say I'm connected with the developer on Zoom, or and I'll will together work, and I'll check him, like I'll ask him to clear the browser cache if it is a web-based application. And after that, like we'll try to take screenshots at that point of time. Okay, maybe like this point is like whenever I'm doing right, I'll try to take screenshots with detailed steps. Okay, also we have to see that whatever browser version I am using, whatever browser version developer is using, that thing we have to check. So you can mention all these points whenever you ask this kind of question. So coming to this previous question, right, you can easily remember it, like how you will do generally in while doing your real time work also. I mean, you can follow the same process, like whenever you face this kind of situation, you can, what you can do, right, you can prepare a document with all the screenshots, logs, timestamps. You can log a Jira ticket with all the details. And after that, you can check with developer if he's, I mean, if he says that, I mean, it's not reproducible and he's not accepting that, you can send an email to a test lead. If the test lead doesn't respond, you can send email to test manager. If he also doesn't, I mean, consider it as bug, you can reach out to business analyst or product owner. So this is the process you can follow, and I think this is the most frequently asked interview question. Like I also face this question, and it's good to have these kind of questions. If you go through once, right, it's good to have, so that you can easily answer in any interview. So that's it in this video. Let's meet in the next video. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.